Can I replace a hardwired smoke detector with a battery one? Or must it be replaced with another hardwired model?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Just working on it today.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
If I put up a battery-powered smoke detector where the old hardwired one was, can I just push up the wires into the junction box before installing the battery one?
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be assisting you. Please stand by while I review your question. If it is the only detector, yes. If there are others, not advisable. You'll not have the interconnect function to sound all alarms should one be tripped.
Just detector.
As stated. If not part of a system, you can replace it with a battery-operated detector.
Thanks so much. No, not part of a system.
Anytime, you're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.